Come along for the rest and you can have a good time. Good vibes. Good vibes. If this is your first time, comment, like, and subscribe. Good vibes. What's up, GB fam? Welcome back to another video. Hey, my people. Hey. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the GB fam. What your girl got for you tonight, what I got for you tonight, people, is Raising Cane's. Raising Cane's is the thing here in Las Vegas, and your girl had to try it. This is my first time trying Raising Cane's. So, we finna see what this about, boo. Yes, yes, yes. So, you see that Raising Cane's, boo, Raising Cane's. Yes. So I got my straw, got my drink. What I like, people, is this is my first time seeing they got lemonade. Their lemonade is green. You see that? Their lemonade is green. So yes. Yes, yes, yes. So I hope you guys can see that it's green. It might be a different color due to my background, but the lemonade is green. And I like their little box setup. Raising Cane's, the little box setup. So what I got from them is it's like a strip dinner. They have fries, they have toast, and everyone's been talking about this famous sauce that they have. They have the little toasted, see that? They got strips, and they also got coleslaw. Got a little thing coleslaw your girl gonna try. And this is their sauce. Everyone's been telling me about this sauce. I'm like, you know your girl gotta try it. I gotta see what's going on with it. Yes, Raising Cane, boo, Raising Cane. So your girl just got off work and I had to stop through and grab it and try it. Yes. And I want to send a special shout out to their general manager. His name is Malcolm. The general manager named Malcolm, great guy, was so great. So basically, this is my first time trying it, and you already know your girl gonna keep it real, boo. Gonna keep it real. What's going on with Raising Cane's? We finna see. So your girl gonna get it in first, then we gonna chop it up, boo. All right. So I gotta get this thumbnail in. Gotta get this thumbnail in. That's good. It looks good. It looks good. The customer service in there was awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. From the customer service, I will go back again. They had great customer service. So we're going to see what this do, boo. Yes. All right. So let's open this sauce. Yes. This is how the sauce looks. Everyone has been ripping and raving about Raising Cane's, and I was like, oh, your girl gotta try it. Okay. You already know it's gonna get messy, boo. It's gonna get messy. But that's okay, boo. Tab, okay. Hey, Tab, this that ketchup. This a squeeze tab. Wait a minute. I don't want to open it wrong. Let me see. It say peel. Why your girl can't get the ketchup open? I think I got it, boo. All right. All right, Raising Cane. Mm-hmm. I can say they food is fresh. The place was absolutely so clean. Mm. It's good, y'all. Mm-hmm. Yes, I will do this again. When I tell you, they lines be around the corner. And I will always see it. And I'm like, what they selling over there? I gotta go see. Okay. Mm-hmm. The bread is even soft. Mm-hmm. It's good, y'all. All right, Malcolm. That's their general manager, Malcolm. Thumbs up, boo. It's good. It's good. It's fresh. And they didn't have me waiting a long time. The food was fixed in a good amount of time. They got me in and got me out. Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. Let me see what this coleslaw about. Come on up out of here, Fort. So this is their coleslaw. That looks good. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. It's good. My first time trying Raising Cane, and it's a yes for me. Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm. So what's been going on, my people? I hope everybody is having a blessed day today. So yes, if you go to Raising Cane, get the combo, boo. Get a combo. Mm. All right. Okay. Okay. Everything was good. Even the lemonade. Mm. This sauce is good. I wish I had some more of this sauce. I can't even say it put me in a man or something, because this is something totally different. Yeah, that sauce is totally different. So I can't even describe it for my people. Can't describe it, boo. You gotta try it. If you're here in Las Vegas, go to Raising Cane and try it. It's good. It's good, boo. I was like, I gotta try for my people. You know, your girl don't keep it real. I gotta try and tell y'all how it is. It's good, boo. It's good. It actually made me wish I had ordered some more, like a big order. Yes, yes, yes. This is good, people. Mm. This so good. Then I saved my baby a piece because I want her to try it. But your girl done ate all the sauce. I done ate all the sauce. So that you know that the sauce is good. Yes. All right, my people. Your girl gonna get on up out of here. Yes, I had to pop in, sit down for a minute, try to Raising Cane's for my people and let y'all know how it is. I want to thank you guys for tuning into my video. Make sure that you tune into my next video that's coming up real soon. Make sure that you have good vibes. Give this video a thumbs up for your girl. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, share this video with any and everybody. Let them know what your girl over here doing. Come on in, have a seat and sit down and chit chat and chop it up with your girl. I thank you guys for tuning into my video. Your girl had to come in and tell you how Raising Cane's was. That was the only right thing to do for my GV fam. I miss you guys. Until my next video, make sure that you tune in. Bye.